registered Morgan mare. Look on the website for our paperwork. Stood nice and quiet to be tacked and mounted. Direct rein. She drive too. Got driving shoes on. Nice quiet ride. She is. I mean, laid back girl.
Morgan.
Yeah. For any kind. This is a nice kind of horse. Laid back, gentle, easy going, stood to be tacked, mounted, level headed, direct rein. Not going to jump up and run out from underneath you. You're going to wait patiently for you. Backs up. Quiet.
Real quiet horse.
Sweet and gentle. Needs a home. What a sweet girl.
One of the quiet Morgans with a chain.
Very nice horse. All 4 feet.
Yeah.
Nice.